Hi YouTube, Derek here. I thought I'll do a video. I've been working on the second hypercube that I've been trying to do. It's finally printing, and yeah, I've got a lot of tuning to do. So what I'll do, I'll show you around the stuff that I've 3D printed with my printers, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, I've done some stuff for the house, bits and pieces, a lamp for the living room, which is quite cool. But yeah, I'll show you around and let's take a look. So obviously my hypercube doing pretty well, loving it. I'm just doing a phone holder or some sort of phone holder that you can clip into the wall socket and also charges the phone. So I've designed that. Seems to be alright, seems to be printing out. My masks, I've got Iron Man, Batman and the Flash. The Flash is a little bit small, as you can, sorry, there you go, it's a bit small even for me, but it's the Flash. To make out I've killed him, but I won't, he's alright. I have Batman. It goes on really well, it's quite nice. It's got like a leathery sort of texture to it. When you look at it, you can only see a few layer lines and bits and pieces. And my Iron Man mask. In here, I've got some LED lights under the eyes. Obviously, you can wear it without dropping it. So you've got the face part here, and it goes on as so. It's connected by magnets, so you can take the, as you can see, just take the front plate off. It's just put it back one sec. Okay, so over here we have headphone holder stand. Done that on one of my very first Da Vinci's I had, which was a Da Vinci Junior. Yeah, that was fun. It was quite nice. Holds it. A handheld unit for my PS Vita. That's printed all in one go. It's quite cool. Doomhammer, Frostmourne, and you've got some like Lich King bits and pieces. I'll take you in for a bit of a closer look. So you've got Lich King, minions, Groot, a few other bits. You've got the Lego, Marvel and DC guys. A 3D scan of my face, and I printed it out. Some test cubes from the hypercube, and they have come out literally perfect. No issues there. Benching. A bit of a ding there on the corner, I'm not too sure what that was. Come out really well. I have up here earbuds holder. They open up. It's on Thingiverse. I'll put the link down below. I have also up here a memory stick USB card holder. That's pretty cool. Ghost with the movable tongue. Actually, if I link down my Thingiverse page, you can see majority of this, it's all on there. So anyway, that's my holder for like an anchor mount, for an anchor USB charger. You've got PlayStation control holder, Xbox One control holder in the background. You've got like a Bender money box thing. Not a lot of money in there at the moment. Come over here. We have got a little design that I've done. It just holds the blind pulling. Stops the cats getting to it. Terminate head. After printing it out, I sprayed it with like a metallic metal and just painted the teeth and the eyes with acrylic paints. So that's that done. The lamp. Anything you can print for family wise, it goes a long way. They love it. I've also done a few other bits and pieces which I will show you now. We broke our dimmer switch for the front room. I reprinted a button, which was good. Just going into the kitchen. You can hear my cat. Skylar, my babies. Right, here is a, alright, here is a holder for kitchen roll. My wife wanted one that hangs underneath the cupboard, so I've just 3D printed some bits and pieces out. I have a lithophane here. That's, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it's basically me and my wife on holiday. But when you put it up to light, there you go. You can sort of see it with there. And I've been printing some of these. Sorry, been printing some of these. So they're just like little bins. It's really cool. Actually, I'd like to show you something else. In my front, where my workshop is, in my front room, I've done a big one. That's pretty cool. Right, I'm gonna now take you into the hallway, and I'll show you in here. I've done a key holder, holds the keys. We were missing a letterbox flap. Done one. Going up the stairs, we've got some plaques. I don't know if you can see them. Got some plaques going up the stairs, and they've got like my name, my wife's name, my daughter's name, my son's name, and a couple of little mottos that we go with. 1 second, I'm just going to show you something else. So I've done a lamp for our bedroom as well. It looks alright. I'll turn it on. It's quite cool. Bathroom sign. So vacant, in use. That was done due to the fact that the lock on the bathroom door sticks. So now we just use that, just makes things a bit easier for us. Coming into my son's room, some of these 3D printed puzzle parts, they he like hangs his caps and stuff up with them. It's quite cool. And the little baby hypercube. So it's in his bedroom at the moment. I will just go back downstairs so I can finish off this. 1 sec. I've got a little maker space here. Little lamp, obviously it works. Some tools, a shelf, and in is my spraying area where I spray stuff, and then here is all my filament and stuff. In there I've got a load of those silicone gel packets, loads, absolutely loads of them, so they're all in there at the moment. Other than that, that's about as much as I've been 3D printing. Handy. Got a little vase as well, and a little pot to put my keys and stuff in, and I think that's about it. 3D printing wise around the house and bits and pieces. Up here, don't know if you'd noticed, but I've got a phone charger which has got 3D printed and obviously a little charging cable in, and this is for my smartwatch, so it's 3D printed with a charging cable in there as well, just there, so that's pretty cool. I want to get my son's 3D printer printing spotless. I've got some prints here from this filament that I've been using. I think it's, I'll put it in the link. I'll put it in the links down below. It's pretty cool. There's a couple of wavy lines there. So all in all, it's alright. Frog. All done at 0.2 layer height, so I wasn't just standard. Now I get my filament mostly from Amazon. There's a few bits here as well that could be just done to over extrusion, but I mean the rest of it seems to be pretty good, and it's not focusing in on my face. And one more tree frog. Come out really good, really good. I'll put the link to the filament I'm using as well in the description. Thanks for the subs. If you can give it a like, share my video, comment down below if you want any questions or anything answering that you want me to do. Any advice on improving the channel. I'm using my mobile phone, obviously, as you can tell, but let me know whether or not you want me to do anything else. That'd be great. Other than that, I'm going to sign off now by just saying, be yourself. Alright, see you later, bye.